Hello friends, so in this video I'll be explaining all about states of matter. The states of matter are we are classified into further based on how the molecules or particles are arranged. Divide the states of matter into three in this video. One is solid, another one is liquid, another one is gaseous state. Now in the solid state, if you can see that this is how the solid state will look like, and some of the examples for solid states are something like car, brakes. These are some of the examples, and this is how the entire particles are arranged in the solid states. In the solid state, the particles are very rigid and it is having a fixed volume as well as fixed shape, and it is having high density in these particles, and these particles are very closely tight and organized in these objects and slightly compressible as a solid state. Now we will move on to understand what is all about liquid state. The liquid state, the particles are gathered, arranged in this manner. In the liquid state, the particles are arranged in this fashion, which is not tightly coupled, which is some loosely it is arranged. Some of the examples for liquid states are milk, water. So these are some of the examples of liquid states, and some of the characteristics of liquid state is these are the particles which are arranged are not rigid, and it's having fixed volume and no fixed shape. Based on the wherever we are going to pour the water, it will take its own shape, and it's having average to high density, and these are closely tight but not disorganized particles, and slightly the liquid is also compressible. So these are the certain characteristics of liquid, and this is how the liquid particles are arranged in the liquid state of matter. Now I'll move on to understand the gaseous state. So in the gaseous state, these are some of the examples for gaseous states. This is a LPG gas, and this is a balloon, hot air balloon, and we have pollution here that we consider as a gaseous state, and this is how all the particles are arranged in the gaseous state. And some of the characteristics of gaseous state is they are not rigid and no fixed volume and no fixed shape, and it is having low density and far apart and disoriented particles here, and this is also gases also can be highly compressible. Hence LPG, which is highly compressed gas, which we normally use in the gaseous states.